Welcome children. In the previous video we have seen scalar or dot product of two vectors. So in this video we are going to see the next type of product of two vectors, which is vector or cross product of two vectors. In a right-handed coordinate system, here the thumb of the right hand points in the direction of the positive z-axis when the fingers are curled in the direction which is away from the positive x-axis towards the positive, which is y-axis. So thumb represents z and the direction which is away from the positive, which is x-axis, and towards the positive, which is y-axis, in a right-handed coordinate system. So definition of vector or cross product. The vector or cross product of two non-zero vectors a and b, which is denoted by a cross b. So a cross b, which is equal to magnitude of a into b sine theta into n cap. Theta is the angle between a and b. Theta, which lies between 0 and pi, and n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a and b, such that a, b and n form a right-handed system. The right-handed system rotated from a to b moves in the direction of n cap. If either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, then theta is not defined. We define a cross b, which is equal to 0. If either a is 0 or b is 0, theta is not defined. We define a cross b equal to 0 vector. Observations. A cross b is a vector. Let a and b be two non-zero vectors. Then a cross b equal to 0 if and only if a and b are parallel. That is, a is parallel to b or collinear to each other. That is, a cross b equal to 0 if a is parallel to b. Here, if a cross b equal to 0, then either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, or a is parallel to b. If theta equal to pi by 2, then a cross b equal to magnitude of a into b sine pi by 2, which is 1. So a cross b, which is equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b. For mutually perpendicular unit vectors I, j, k, we have I cross I, which is equal to j cross j, which is equal to k cross k, which is equal to 0. So I cross j, so along this direction, which is k, j cross k, which is I, and k cross I, which is equal to j. So this is along anti-clockwise direction. Then if it is j cross I, then it is minus k. So opposite direction. Then k cross j is minus I, and I cross k is minus j. Angle between two vectors a and b in a vector product given as a cross b, which is equal to magnitude of a into b into sine theta. So sine theta, which is equal to a cross b by magnitude of a into b. Next one, vector product is not commutative. If theta is the angle between two non-zero and non-parallel vectors A and B, then the vector or cross product is given by A cross B, A into B sin theta into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, where AB and n forms a right-handed system. Here A cross B is a vector quantity, and since n cap equal to 1, the magnitude of A cross B, which is equal to magnitude of A into B into sin theta. N cap indicates the direction of A cross B, and minus n cap indicates the direction of B cross A. So B cross A, which is equal to magnitude of A into B sin theta of minus n cap. Therefore A cross B equal to minus of B cross A, but magnitude of A cross B, which is equal to magnitude of B cross A. So otherwise unit vector n cap, which is equal to A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B. So area of the triangle, we have to find the area of the triangle. If A and B represent the adjacent sides of a triangle, then its area is given as half of A cross B. By definition of the area of a triangle, we have area of a triangle ABC, which is equal to half base into height. Here base is AB and CD is the height. So area of the triangle ABC is half of AB into CD. And what is AB? AB is vector B. And CD is, we have to find the height of this. So we need to find the height of this triangle, which is CD. Height of the triangle is CD. So using this triangle ADC, here D is 90 degree. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to find CD, which is height. So this side, so opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta is, opposite side is CD by hypotenuse is A. So CD equal to A into sin theta. So area of a triangle ABC, which is equal to half of base is B and height is A into sin theta, which is nothing but A cross B. So half of A cross B. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. Here base is AB and height is DE. AB equal to vector B, which is given. So DE equal to, we have to find the height of DE. So using the Pythagoras theorem, opposite by hypotenuse, which is sin theta. So DE equal to A into sin theta. So area of a parallelogram is AB into DE. AB is B into A sin theta, which is nothing but modulus of A cross B. So properties, distributivity of vector product over addition. If A, B and C are any three vectors and lambda be a scalar, then A cross B plus C, which is equal to A cross B plus A cross C, and lambda of A cross B, which is equal to lambda of A cross B plus A cross lambda B. Let A and B be two vectors given in component form as A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Then their cross product may be given by A cross B equal to determinant of ijk, A1, A2, A3, the coefficient of ij and k, B1, B2, B3. if it is asked to find the cross product, so we have to write this in the determinant form, ijk and the coefficient of ijk in two vectors, if two vectors are given. So exercise 10.4, find A cross B if A equal to I minus 7j plus 7k and B equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k. So A cross B equal to determinant of ijk, here using the A vector, the coefficient of I is 1, j is minus 7 and k is 7. Here again B vectors, coefficient of I is 3, j is minus 2 and k is 2. Now we have to expand along the first row. So expanding along the first row in a determinant, so I into deleting this row and a column, we get minus 7, 7, minus 2, 2. Then alternate sign, plus, minus, plus. So minus of j into deleting this row and a column. So we get 1, 7, 3, 2 plus k into this row and column. So we get 1, minus 7, 3 and minus 2. So I into minus 7 into 2 minus 14, minus of minus 2 into 7 minus 14. So minus of minus plus 14, minus j into 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 21 plus k into minus 2 minus 21, which is plus 21. Here it is 0, which is equal to 19j, minus of minus plus 19j, and here it is plus 19k. So we get A cross B, which is equal to 19j plus 19k. We have to find the magnitude of A cross B, which is equal to square root of 19 square plus 19 square, which is equal to 19 root 2. Second one, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of vectors A plus B and A minus B. A equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k and B equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B is given by n cap equal to A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. So here we have to find unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B and A minus B. So we have to add these two vectors and subtract these two vectors. Then we have to find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors. So n cap equal to A plus B cross A minus B whole by modulus of A plus B cross A minus B. So first we'll add and subtract and then we'll find the magnitude of the cross product. So A plus B is adding these two vectors, coefficient of I, j, k. So 3 plus 1, which is 4i, 2 plus 2, which is 4j, 2 minus 2, which is 0k. And A minus B, so 3 minus 1, which is 2i, 2 minus 2, which is 0j, 2k, minus of minus 2, which is plus 2, so 4k. Now we have to find the cross product of these two vectors, that is A plus B cross A minus B. So using the determinant form I, j, k. So coefficient of I is 4, j is 4, k is 0. Here it is 2, 0 and 4. So when expanding along the first row, I into deleting this row and a column, so 4 into 4, 16 minus 0. Minus of j into deleting this row and a column, we get 16 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus 8, which is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k. Now we have to find the magnitude of this cross product. So magnitude of this is square root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square, which is root of 256 plus 256 plus 64, which is equal to square root of 576, which is 24. Now we have to find unit vector perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to plus or minus a plus b cross a minus b whole by magnitude of a plus b cross a minus b, which is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k whole by 24, which is equal to plus or minus 16 by 24, which is 2 by 3 I minus 2 by 3 j minus 1 by 3 k. Question number 3. If a unit vector A makes angles pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and an acute angle theta with k, then find theta and hence the components of A. Let the angles made by vector A with I, j and k be, we take it as alpha, beta and gamma. Then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. It's given that alpha equal to pi by 3, beta is pi by 4 and gamma is theta. So I have to substitute here cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 4 plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Cos pi by 3, which is cos 60, which is half. Here it is cos square, so half square, plus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 whole square, plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, plus cos square theta equal to 1. Taking LCM, 3 by 4 plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1, which gives that cos square theta, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, which is 1 by 4. So cos theta equal to plus or minus half. Since theta is an acute angle, cos theta equal to half, which gives theta equal to cos inverse of half, which is equal to pi by 3. So theta equal to pi by 3. The question is to find theta and the components of A. We know that vector A equal to magnitude of A into cos alpha I plus cos beta plus cos gamma k, which is equal to 1 into cos pi by 3 I plus cos pi by 4 j plus cos pi by 3 k. The values of alpha, beta and gamma, which is equal to 1 by 2 I cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 of j plus 1 by 2 of k. So components of vector A are 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2. Fourth question, show that A minus B cross A plus B, which is equal to 2 times of A cross B. So taking LHS, multiplying this A cross A plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. So A cross A is 0 plus B cross B is 0 plus A cross B minus B cross A, which is equal to A cross B plus A cross B. Since A cross B equal to minus B cross A, so changing this, we get 2 times of A cross B, which is right hand side, hence proved.